In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your pixel ID to Webflow. This process is crucial if you're looking to track visitor interactions on your website, so let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need is your unique pixel ID, which you can find in Meta's Events Manager. Your pixel ID is essential for connecting your Webflow site to Facebook, allowing you to collect valuable data on how users are engaging with your pages. Make sure to note this ID down. It's typically a 15-digit number. Once you have your pixel ID ready, open Webflow and navigate to the specific project you want to integrate the pixel ID into. On the site dashboard, click on the Project Settings button for your chosen project. From there, locate the Custom Code tab in the top navigation bar. This is where you'll paste the pixel code, so keep this tab open as you prepare the code snippet. Now we need to construct the actual code block that will carry your pixel ID. The pixel code is a snippet of JavaScript provided by Facebook that you need to embed into your Webflow site. Facebook has a standard template for this code, which will look something like this. But don't worry, we're going to customize it with your ID in just a second. Copy the standard pixel code from Facebook's Events Manager, but stop before pasting it into Webflow. Within the code, you'll see a placeholder where the pixel ID should be. This is typically a string of numbers like this: 123456789012345. This is crucial. Replace 123456789012345 with your pixel ID. Be careful here, as an incorrect ID won't allow data collection from your site. Once you've swapped in your ID, it's time to go back to Webflow. In the Head Code section under the Custom Code tab, paste your customized pixel code snippet. It's very important to place the code in this section, as it allows the pixel to load immediately, ensuring accurate tracking. After pasting the code, scroll down to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom. Now proceed to the Publish option in the upper right corner of your Webflow dashboard and select the live site from the drop-down menu. This final step is crucial because your changes won't take effect until you publish your updates. To double-check your work, visit your site live and inspect the page source to ensure that the pixel code is embedded correctly. You can also head back to Meta's Events Manager to see if your pixel is receiving activity. If everything is set up correctly, you'll start to see data populate and can begin making data-driven decisions to improve your website's user experience. And there you have it, a straightforward way to track interactions on your Webflow site using Facebook's pixel. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you unlock deeper insights into your website's performance.